All right. Thank you very much for listening to that episode of the Authority Syndicate Radio Show. And this is the outcome of the system that we talked about with Donald. And we created a fictitious organization called the F Cubed Recognition Society, Inc. And Donald asked me some questions that took about 15 minutes. And this is what was spit out on the other end. Now, if you click on these links, it takes you to exactly what it's created for you. A welcome letter that you could send to people introducing your product or service. And it starts out, Dear T. Allen, good meeting you. Good meeting with you the other day. I look forward to our next meeting. Congratulations on getting started. I'm excited for you that you're interested in moving forward and we're working with us to improve your life and business. So, created all for you. I mean, look at this. Sales letter created for you in your introductory letter. Send this out to people on your email list. Post it on your social media accounts. Put it in Craigslist. Hi, does it feel like you're not being recognized in the marketplace as a leader? Do you feel like you could have clients and have them pick you over them or enjoy fame and fortune and freedom? Do you want to? Too many people do not get these experiences because they have not been taught how to do so and why it matters. So you got a little bit of editing to do, but I mean, you have the base. You have the basis to improve on it. And it's all right here. Look at this. Request letter, a draft of the system program, exploratory call script. You can use when you call people, for feedback. A simple script you can use to describe what you do. Networking introduction. I mean, it's all right here. And this was all created from a 15-minute interview. Hi, my name is T. Allen Haynes. I'm the creator of the F Cubed Recognition System, or F3RS for short, which helps people turn their not being recognized into a marketplace leadership and start to get clients, pick them over their competition so they can enjoy fame, fortune, and freedom. So who do you know that might want to turn their own not being recognized into marketplace leadership right now? So simple, but you just have to, do some quick edits and you get it and you have it. Unbelievable. So look at all emails, signatures, tweets, all created for you. And I mean, it's incredible how this is created from 15 minutes of information. What do you think about the F Cubed recognition system? And then this goes to your page, your custom page, capture page, which is automatically created. You're about to learn secrets that most solopreneurs will never know about their pattern of authority. To join our community, simply fill out the basic registration below. Some of the benefits you'll get: a free 7-day e-course, free basic membership, free 20-minute pattern of authority strategy session, newsletter, posting privileges. I mean, this was all generated from 15 minutes of a conversation. Isn't that remarkable? I think it's fabulous. So if you're interested in getting your own sales system page and content, click on the link below so we can set up a conversation to find out exactly what you're doing and to see if it's a good fit. So not only that, it creates marketing material for you too, from a push of a button, specially prepared for T. Allen Haynes and the F Cubed Recognition Society. Business card, marketing to-do list. It even creates an ebook. Marketing to-do lists, step by step, all within the system. Frequently asked questions, marketing to-do list, identify potential customers, learn about their businesses and seek to understand their needs, how to find them, take advantage of the fact that we are the first and only company in the area that can satisfy their needs, establish expertise as follow, create money magnets, which create interest and desire, give away money magnets, post invitations for comment, write articles and submit them to industry journals, organize and gather potential customers and show them how marketplace leadership will satisfy their needs. Step by step. It even creates frequently asked questions for your expertise. Why did you get into this business? I love my chosen profession of turning not being recognized in the marketplace into marketplace leadership. So I found ways to make the process quicker and easier, and I came across lots of ordinary, not being recognized people and decided to figure out a way to turn them into more of a marketplace leadership position. All done for you. Look at that. And then it creates your marketing hero's tale. This is a story about a magical skill that results in a valuable product and the hero that makes it happen. Look at this. Already done. And then here's your e-course. Subject, Pattern of Authority e-course, day 1. Congratulations. Let's get you started in the Pattern of Authority right away. In this e-course, we'll be talking about how you can begin to turn your not being recognized into marketplace leadership and get all the benefits that go along with it. We will be giving you some action steps to take, as well as examining some of the benefits you should be able to expect. For now, let's just get started by listing off some specific actions you can start taking right now. Unbelievable. Already set up. You might be interested in a free strategy session that answers many of the questions people have had about this. If so, then respond to this with an email and I will work to get you on my schedule. Subject, Pattern of Authority e-course, day 2. Do you know that your decision to get more information about Pattern of Authority has set you apart? Well, it has. You are one of a small elite group of people who are learning to have clients pick them over their competition. So how exactly does one do that? Well, one way is to do the following. There you go. All set up. Day 3. Unbelievable. So, look at this. Prospecting email, basic marketing plan, mission statement, vision statement, tagline, elevator pitch, unique selling position, a $7 product, squeeze page text. Let's take a look at that. So we're ready to help you with your idea. Just click on the link below and we'll get you on our schedule. You're about to learn secrets that most will never know about Pattern of Authority. Inside, you will learn to have clients pick them over the competition, how to enjoy fame, fortune, and freedom, learn the exact step-by-step system we use for turning not being recognized into marketplace leadership. And you'll also get a free trial subscription to our exclusive Pattern of Authority Secrets e-letter. Opt in. Headlines to try. The secret of turning not being recognized into marketplace leadership. The secret of turning your not being recognized into marketplace leadership. The little mistake that costs $3,000 a year. Advice to who don't turn their not being recognized into marketplace leadership by a on and on and on. Amazing. So go ahead and click the link below. Get on the schedule so we can get all of your content created and get you on the road to success. Talk to you soon. Take care.